Right now, there are two types of people: those who are casually using AI and those who are quietly using AI to make money every single day. The scary part? Most people have no idea this opportunity even exists. And today, I'm going to show you the AI secret that 99% of people are completely missing, and how it can realistically make you up to $500 per day. But let me be clear, this is not about using AI the way everyone else is using it. Not ChatGPT for homework, not basic prompts, not write me an essay type of stuff. This is completely different, because right now, businesses are desperate. They need content, they need automation, they need AI, but they don't know how to use it. And that's where you come in. The secret? AI-powered service arbitrage. It sounds complicated, but it's actually simple. You use AI tools to do work and get paid like a professional without being one. Here's how it works. Let's say a business needs social media posts, blog content, ad copy, video scripts. Normally, they would pay someone $100, $200, even $500, but instead, you use AI tools to generate that content in minutes, then deliver it professionally and keep the profit. Tool breakdown. Now, let me show you how people are actually doing this. First, content creation. You can use AI to generate viral scripts, marketing content, product descriptions. Second, design. AI tools can create thumbnails, ads, social media graphics. Third, automation. You can even automate posting and delivery, meaning you do less work, but earn more. What 99% do wrong? Here's why 99% fail. They use AI for themselves, instead of using AI to solve other people's problems. That's the difference. Money comes from solving problems, not playing with tools. Realistic earning breakdown. Let's break it down. If you charge $50 per project, 10 clients, $500, $100 per project, 5 clients, where's $500? And with AI, you can complete each task fast. That's how people are scaling this. Simple start plan. Here's how you start today. Step 1. Pick one service. Scripts, captions, ads, etc. Step 2. Use AI to master it quickly. Step 3. Find clients. Instagram. Freelance platforms. Small businesses. Step 4. Deliver fast using AI. That's it. Simple. And once you understand this, you can scale it. Build a team. Automate everything. Turn it into a real business. This is how people are quietly building income streams right now. So remember, AI is not the opportunity. Using AI to solve problems is the opportunity. If you want to stay ahead and learn how to actually make money with AI, subscribe to AI Wealth Pulse, because the people who learn this early are the ones who win.